So it's a few minutes after 6 a.m. and I'm up making a couple of just last minute changes to the route today. So I got the computer open, got the GPS open. Nothing major, just a couple little changes, save us a little bit of time. Alright, so just fueled up here in Owensboro, about ready to hit the roads, about 7:30 a.m. local time. I got some breakfast this morning. It's raining a little bit. I think, we're going to have to get a little west of here before it's going to clear up. There's some flash flood warnings in effect, but I think most of the rain in this area is over, and we should be smooth sailing here before too long. Let's hope so anyway. Currently chilling in a Walmart parking lot in Marion, Illinois. Had to pick up a couple of things, and you may have noticed we only have one camera angle right now. Her mount didn't come in time, so I'm gonna MacGyver something tonight. So figure we pick it up now. So you get all kinds of questions when you're out riding, and that was a new one back there. My sister and I getting ready to pull out of the parking lot, and the lady said, "Hey, you guys passed me a while ago, and I saw you got those bags on the side, and I was trying to figure out what was in them. Are you guys delivering things?" No, ma'am. We're on our way out to Colorado, but at least that was something new. Hadn't heard that one before. So anyway, we're gonna get back out here. We gotta hop on the interstate just for a little bit to hit up our next connecting route, and we still got plenty of miles left to go today. Made it to Missouri. I just stopped here in Poplar Bluff, Missouri. Wasn't sure how much further we're going to be to the next town. I was going to need gas soon. Plus just needed a little bit of a break. So we had a makeshift lunch there at the gas pumps of beef jerky and a couple of little things, nothing major. Feel a little bit better now. We're only a little over 250 in. We got a lot left to go, so hoping to hammer down some miles here the next few hours. I think we're about 2.5 hours roughly east of Springfield, and again the goal is to get to Wichita tonight. I haven't booked anything yet in case I just don't have it in me to make it all the way, but we'll see. Hot enough for you? Is it hot enough for you?
I'm alright other than that.
The funny thing is, it's not even really that hot. It's just that you're out in direct sunlight from this long.
Around the road.
Yeah, the road is hot. You can feel the heat coming up from the asphalt. Alright, so that was just a stop to stop because get a little warm out here. It's not really 100 degrees like it's showing on there, but it's pretty warm. Still got, I don't even want to say how many miles we have left to go. It's a lot. We'll probably only go about another 50, 60 till my sister's going to need gas. Why didn't we get gas here? Because we're probably going to want to stop in another 50, 60. So decided to leave my jacket on. I was going to pull it off and just go long sleeve for a while, but whoa, that's a little slick. Just go long sleeve for a while. I ended up throwing it back on, just leaving it unzipped a little bit, get a little more airflow. So hop back on 60 West. So last stop of the day back there in Fredonia, Missouri. We got about 80, we'll just call it 80 miles left to go to get to our hotel in Wichita tonight. And it's, man, it actually hasn't cooled down at all. It's still in the low 90s. At least the sun's back behind the clouds. Pretty much on this road to the last couple of miles. So hope to be there in about an hour 15, hour 20. We do today 700 on the dot indicated. Alright, we actually rode over here. It was a whole, I don't know, half mile. It was a long walk, so go get something to eat. Another margarita.
Tried to kill me there.
Oh, whatever. All right, so I went with the chicken quesadilla.
Mahi taco.